Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. This presentation is under Electrical System Assignment 1. We will talk about biomass power generation. This is about our entire presentation, which are introduction, basic construction, operation, power consumption, the example of power generation site, and the conclusion. For the introduction, we need to know what is biomass. Biomass is energy generated or produced by living organisms such as animal and plant. The most common material used for energy are plant, which are corn and soy. The energy from this organism can be burned to create a heat or convert into electricity and used for cooking or heating for the development of the country. Biomass is, as we know, biomass is a renewable organic material. These are part of biomass resources, which are wood and garbage can be burned to gain energy. Then fuel gas can be obtained by the material decay of dead animal and plant. And crops and alcohol can be converted into various gases such as methanol and ethanol. Biomass can be burned directly for heat or converted to renewable liquid and gases fueled through a various process, which are direct incineration, where organic matter react with an excess oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. Second, fermentation, where enzyme catalyst metabolic process whereby an organism converts starch to alcohol by releasing energy. Third one is material decay, the decomposition that organic matter to obtain nutrient, and last one is conversion, where biomass can be converted into gas or liquid fuel by using chemical or heat. These are the uses of biomass, which are energy is produced for residential use such as land and house. Biomass use comes from burning woods and chips. Biomass produced for industrial use such as food product, fabric, paper, printing and furniture. And lastly, biomass produced for transportation such as fuels. This is the advantage and disadvantage of biomass power generation. The advantage are renewable fuel source, minimal environmental impact, it's reduced waste, the availability of biomass fuels is universal and it is versatile, but we can obtain by many processes. For the disadvantage, it's not completely clean, high cost, possible deforestation, require high space, and it's require more water. Biomass used as fuel is the strongest in Africa, where the extraction of wood from forest and savanna is seen more fuel than for the timber.
Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. My name is Raja Muhammad bin Raja Azmi and I will present part 3.0 basic construction. These are the types of biomass. First, wood. Second, garbage. Third, crop. Fourth, alcohol fuels. And fifth, landfill gas. Biomass converted to electricity?
Yes, biomass can be converted into electric power through several methods. The most common is direct combustion of biomass material, such as agricultural waste or woody material. Other options include gasification, pyrolysis, and anaerobic digestion. Gasification produces a synthesis gas with usable energy content. Biomass with less oxygen than needed for complete combustion. Pyrolysis yields biomass by rapidly heating the biomass in the absence of oxygen. Anaerobic digestion produces a renewable natural gas when organic matter is decomposed by bacteria in the absence of oxygen.
These are examples of direct combustion or steam turbine system. The component in the system, it has biomass fuel, steam, turbine, generator, transformer and distribution line.
So how it works? First, heat is created by burning biomass fuel. Second, it boils water and makes steam. Third, steam turns the blades of huge turbine. Fourth, the turbine spin generator to create electricity. Fifth, the transformer increases the voltage to send electricity over the distribution line. Sixth, local transformers reduce the voltage. Lastly, it is for you to use.
Hi, my name is Izzat. Today I would like to present about the basic operation of biomass power generation. Firstly, this is the flow diagram of biomass power generation, which is consists of three different phases. Firstly, heat production, steam production, and power production to produce electricity, and it will distribute through the transmission line. The working principle of biomass power generation. The biomass material such as road waste, municipal waste and household waste will be burned in a furnace to produce heat, and then to heating the boiler water to produce high pressure steam. The steam will flow in the turbine system and the force will rotate the turbine blade. The rotation of the turbine will drive the generator to remove the wire coil in a generator to generate electricity. The transformer will increase the voltage of electricity before it is delivered to the transmission line for distribution to the community user. The air pollution control system to control the air pollution will remove the pollutant gas from combustion gas before being released into the environment. This is an example of municipal solid waste or biomass power generation. Electricity production by a generator. What is a generator? A generator is a device to generate electricity by convert mechanical energy to electrical energy. The rotation of turbine blade will rotate the rotor with a wire coil inside the fixed magnet, which is called as a stator. The flux will be cut along the magnetic field during the rotation and to produce the electricity. This process is known as electromagnetic induction. The operation type of biomass power generation. Firstly, thermal conversion of biomass power generation. It has a direct and co-firing combustion. The electricity is generated through the process of burning. The combustion process uses varying proportion of biomass and coal or other feedstock. Second, combined heat and power. By utilizing the simultaneous production of heat and electrical energy to increase the fuel efficiency. Pyrolysis technology. The process of burning organic material with varying temperature and the absence of oxygen. The biomass will convert into biochar, bioel and gas. The bioel can be used as the generator engine fuel to generate electricity. Thermochemical conversion. In this thermochemical conversion, the biomass material from the solid fuel state will be converted into the combustible gas in the presence of steam to produce heat and electricity. This process is known as the gasification process. Last but not least, the biochemical conversion of biomass power generation. In the biochemical, it is used the anaerobic bacteria to decompose the organic waste material such as crop and municipal waste to produce biogas such as methane gas. The methane gas can be used in the gas engine to produce electricity. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rais bin Muhammad Zaharuddin. Today I will present about power consumption. So, 4 categories of mixture that can be used for biomass fuel, which is first is empty fruit bunch, second is mesocraft fibrous, third is palm kernel shell, and third is shredded trunk and fronds. So, next is which one we choose. So we choose is empty fruit bunch and why. So they have 3 reasons. First is EFB is the primary fuel which is mostly collected from the nearby palm oil mill. So second is about calorific value, which is EFB is the blue color and EFB is have the lower value. And third is cost of input energy. So EFB is the cheapest, so that is the reason. And then efficiency analysis for biomass based generation. So this diagram shows that 60 efficiency and the yearly requirement per tons. So the blue color is the yearly and the red color is the hourly. So the biomass based power generation plants can attain efficiency range 20 to 40%. The direct combustion based steam plants of smaller size 20 megawatt can attain as high as 40% convention efficiency. 10 megawatt steam turbine which can have an efficiency range 25 to 35% based on the steam superheat condition and turbine efficiency. The last is typical 10 megawatt plant running at 25% efficiency will require 240,000 to 260,000 tons per annually. So next is the example of power generation site, which is FTJ Biopower Sdn Bhd, placed at Bandar Tun Razak, Jengke, Pahang, Malaysia. The company operate power and communication line and related structure and condition industry. Second, incorporate on 31st December 2008, and third is factory acreage is 4.3 hectares. So the achievement is on 25 October 2011, TMB agreed to purchase the electricity from FTJ Biopower Sdn Bhd for a period of 21 years. So next is the facility. They have 33 facilities. So these 33 facilities.
In the conclusion, biomass has various of different aspects, which are the source are easy to obtain by animal and plant that can be recycled. The second one is the compensation of usable energy sources that can be obtained by the waste that I said before, and the uses are very beneficial for the country, and it has more pros and the cons. That's all from us. Thank you.